TD Direct Investing versus TD Easy Trade. Which option is best for your needs? In this video, we're comparing TD Direct Investing and TD Easy Trade to help you pick what fits your investing needs.
So, to get started, let's break it down. TD Direct Investing is a full featured platform. You get access to stocks, ETFs, mutual funds, bonds, even options. You can also use advanced tools and research reports, but it comes with a 9.99 trading fee for transaction. TD Easy Trade is a simplified version. It's app based, has a cleaner design, and offers 50 free ETF trades per year. But the downside, it's limited. You get trade options, and the available research is more basic. So, which is better? If you're a new investor who just wants to buy and hold ETFs or a few stocks, TD Easy Trade make things simple and cheap. But if you're experienced and want to build a more complex portfolio, TD Direct Investing gives you more tools and freedom. And that's the difference between TD Direct Investing and TD Easy Trade.